Now I'm going to show you how to simply transfer all your recorded videos from your OSI Wi-Fi camera's micro SD card to your PC or laptop. The easiest way to do this is by using a micro SD card adapter, which inserts into the SD card slot of your PC or laptop. Since many new PCs and laptops from 2023 or later no longer come standard with an SD card reader, you can purchase a USB micro SD card adapter for about $20, which allows you to insert the micro SD card directly into the USB stick as you see here. To transfer the files from your micro SD card, please follow these steps. Before you remove the micro SD card from the camera, please ensure to unplug or turn off the camera. Gently push the micro SD card out of the camera using your finger, allowing it to pop out. Take the micro SD card and insert it into the SD card adapter, or if you have a USB SD card adapter like I have here, just insert it directly into the USB stick. Then insert the SD card adapter into your PC or laptop. Or again, in my case, I'm going to plug the USB SD card adapter directly into the USB port. Open File Explorer on your computer. On Mac OS, open Finder. Locate your SD card reader or USB drive and then open the folder labeled SDREC. Inside this folder, you'll find various subfolders labeled by date, starting with the year, followed by the month and day. To view the video, simply select the desired video file and it will open in your computer's default media player. These MP4 video files are highly compatible with social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Therefore, there is no need to convert any of the videos. When you've found the video clip you want to keep, just drag it from the adapter or USB drive to your desktop. Or you can copy it to another USB drive. This way, you can easily share it with local authorities or on social media. Remember to insert the micro SD card back into the camera and power the camera back on.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to check out our new and exciting products and accessories by clicking on our Amazon store link. We're constantly adding video to our Amazon store product pages to ensure that your product setup and installation is quick, super simple, and easy. Because our goal is to get you protected as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.